beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So we were in summer and now we're going into fall, and I thought it was suitable to change my hair color, and you're probably feeling the same way. You can see my hair is a little dull. You can see the color has grown out. When I go to the salon, it costs me about $100, $150, and you probably have the same experience. So I went to the corner store and I purchased Clairol Natural Instincts. It has no parabens and no ammonia. The color that I chose is Blackberry Burgundy Black. Let's give it a go. So in this box, you will find a few things. You will find the Brilliant Shine Conditioner, and you will find the hair color, of course, and then you will find this, and this is the color activator, and you'll have also the instructions here, and they provide you some gloves. Now this product only cost me, I think, about $17. I'm nervous about it because you're always nervous about something like this, but let's give it a try together. So in the instructions, it depends upon your hair color, and it depends on whether you've colored or not. So in my case, it's been a while since we colored. I have some natural growth, so I am going to put this product on for 15 minutes just in the root area, and because I am parted here and not parted in the front, I will just go from here right to here, and here we go. So here's the bottle, and this is the activator. I'm going to shake it up nicely, then I'm going to open it up. I'm going to then take my the color enhancing cream, and that's this tube, and I'm going to put it all the way in. It gives you a cap so you can pierce it like such. Put it in here. So simple. Shake it really good. Okay. Now then, you take your gloves that they provide you, which is really great and convenient. Whoops. Put them on. You know, sometimes when I'm at the hair salon, the hairstylists don't use gloves, and I think that's really a mistake because these are chemicals, and even though in this particular case there's not as many, there's no ammonia and there's no parabens. So then you take off the top of this tip. You can do that now, and then you're going to apply it like this, all in the crown area, because in my case, as you can see, I have some new growth. So I am just going to do this and let it sit in my hair for about 15 minutes, okay? And then after that, I will apply the rest to my hair. How simple is this? So I'm going to make sure that I get it in all my rooted areas. Right? And do the best that you can. This is not a perfect science. Okay, this is good. Right, very nice. Just for 15 minutes, let it sit in your hair according to the instructions. There you go. Okay, see you in 15 minutes. Okay, now it's been 15 minutes and I'm going to apply it to the rest of my hair, and it only has to sit in your hair for 5 minutes after this application. So I want to make sure that I've applied all this hair color properly. And so I've got myself a comb, and I'm just going to comb it through my hair. Make sure that I've applied it somewhat evenly. Okay, I will see you in a few minutes after I have washed all of this out. I only have to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, see you soon. So I just got out of the shower, and you can already see the results are great. So just gonna dry it. So I do want to say something to you. What I did is I showed you what you can do with the product and how to apply it according to the instructions and what was available to me in the box. I am not a professional cosmetologist, and others would use a proper brush to brush on the coloring agent, but I didn't do that. I only used what was available to me so that I would make this accessible to you as possible, so you didn't have to run out and go get a brush, and just use what was available to us in that box. I'll show you the results in a second. Hey beauties, what do you think? Look how stunning my hair is. Look how shiny it is. Look at how gorgeous the color is. Isn't that wonderful? So I saved a ton of money by not going to the hair salon. I did it myself. I use Natural Instincts. You can also save a ton of money and look this great. Thank you so much for joining me on Wendy's World. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.